Viewers and subscribers, this is the new series with Queenie and Dewey. You don't know that series here from now till about January them time there, you see me? I don't feel like them all go back together or why them just do this season. You don't know people instead them thing a water down the other day, you know, so what them a do this we get a come back in the scene and thing, but you don't know from cartel come out, cartel take away everybody hype and sing, you see me? But Mr. Queenie that drop a song for Dewey and thing want to leave in the comment section if the song makes sense, you see me? If it's just a 1 week song for if Queenie, you don't know anytime Queenie voice a song she make public here while go and same time you see it, so I don't know if the song was steal when it come out or if it'll be a hit for Queenie, you see me? But you don't know the code already. If you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and just subscribe to the channel, you see me? For future upload and you can hit you up over our Facebook, on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. Yeah man, but you don't know if I do drop a little picture with you. You see me, see it a give Queenie a little problem and thing, you see me? But you don't know, we as people, we're not there around them. We can't there judge and say Queenie bad or Dewey bad, you see me? But we don't know what go on behind the scene, you see me? I just let them come and show we and talk about we know what go on about. And everything we know what go on in their relationship. Because we go forward and hear the new song when Queenie says she a job for Dewey. You see me? And I notice that the man them usually part with Dewey and Queenie. Most of them not rate Dewey, but I don't know why still. The man them may talk something that's something. But you know so we know what go on everything, you see me? Alright, sir.
Gone freely. Me do what I want to, me done. The man gone freely. Me do what I want to, me done. The man gone freely. Me do what I want. Genius. You're really genius. So my life. I rebuke you. Love me. I'm alive. Him take that off I know. For when you make this.
Good year, you know.
Me back, so I run it back for them. What you say? The people them say Grammy. The people them say Grammy. Winston what? I never see nothing so yet. Go kiss it.
And to explain to them is a
you true,
sample,
better pick up yourself.
Are your videos?
Better in the house.
Are your videos?
A
They capture the audio
of
from
Queenie's
and
videos.
you utilize the audio
New tune I release.
So tell them you vocal it, make them visa you sell up.
Run the track.
Some can go so, and I'm me vocalist and put it on
I
the
hear a voice, but I
Tell them
don't.
say it's just a compilation of your videos.
Yeah.
You're gonna learn
Of
this.
your
Wow, this bad.
Yes.
Some people can learn it. This is crazy, you know. This is what you call potential and talent.
Yeah, man.
The Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear? The
Where
Lord
they
is my
right
strength
crazy.
and my
Send
redeemer.
positive energy. People show it. Give it. Pass it.
The man God.
You see this? From last year, I did on a live called very creative. I like that. Very creative. Yeah. That
Creative.
very creative. Queenie, calm down. Grab me for the Queen. Very creative. Very, very creative for truth. Because I'm alive, need up on a course and them take the video them. And whatever I'm do, slow down for truth. 876 East Nov. Come on, run it track. Like very crazy are running. Waiting. Come on.
Let me check.
Jesus Christ. What a
I
song.
rebuke you.
That's a Grammy.
Nah, man.
The Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear?
I first me hear it in the
The Lord
riot
is my
crazy.
strength and my
So
redeemer.
you need to sit and make some
Who
of me.
shall that try to devour me? I rebuke them and send them back to the pit of hell. The man gone freely. Me nah like them my internet, you know. Me nah like them Instagram, you know. Me fight and work for me reaching out. Nobody nah make me lock it down, you know. Me a cuss and ball, you know. I be happy and I try the way. But only still I remember that you cannot force water up here. And me give him freedom. Honest still in my cock and
Hear that?
The man gone freely. Me do what I want to be done.
You know, wake up and guys, this Friday, I'm going to studio. Wake up this morning, with the sun flying over any line, man. I prove I'm a sun, you know. Me do what I want, do
Me
my
done. Price. The grand grandma something. What's something do this? This tonight, what's spice something them? Hey Gina, so I wicked something this, you know, you're creative, you know. King, you don't know sir when I'm alive from last year. Him take the video them. I'll take the video them. Tea time. Wait, chairman, wait you know. Oh no add spice. You know, sister may have tea time too. Run it! This body of fuck. I grab me this. Spiritual Rastafari. I grab me this. Come on and share the life and support the thing, man. The boy, the man gone freely. I mean that to know.
Who shall I fear?
This is power, you know.
Me nah like no mind to the thing up. Me nah like no Instagram, you know. Me fight and work for my original. Nobody nah make me like it down, you know. Me a cuss and ball, you know. The year I rehabilitate myself. You know what the man then I'm out. You know get many opportunities for. Me I get time I try be happy and I try to me. But when still I remember that you cannot force water uphill and me give him freedom. I'm still in my cock done. The man gone freely.
Jesus, man, you. God is good, God is great. Let's just give thanks for this to them. And this is a must. What want to say about the song now? The man gone freely. Me do what I want to do, me done. I rebuke. The song, what a wicked something. New anthem. Hear the bad for true. New anthem. Listen, man. And you know what happened? You ever hear them say your past come catch up on you? At this no cause. Me just saying yesterday I stood there, I do a different song and just hear him I play this. And I say, wait, how that sound like me, so? Cause the first partner sound like me. But when me say, it's me. I never know me have them powerful spiritual words. They listen to power the words of what I'm saying, even though I'm cursing. You understand me? Listen to the power within the message and it come back now to be an hit. It's maybe the Grammys. You just never know what song is going to take the Grammy. Queenie, you're tired. Queenie, you tried your best. Respect for that. Thank you. I told Richard, me not give up love. The man gone freely. On us add spice. And tell spice that me have. Grandma too. Where's fair something in name? Cup of tea too. Whatever it name. Girl power, queen power. Where's the king? Them want to get back again. King never show up for the food. Ready? Yeah. Come. One more time I will go. Big one, not a little one. Alright, we're crazy. Do I wrap up that for now? I Queenie, my name is Nikki, so I have to sample this one. Bad. You hear the Nikki one? You got you put it up here? Oh, what big man?
Lily.
Hello, Lily. Blessed be thy name. Girl power, queen power, big up power, life power. Bless up yourself, Lily. Alright, right, crazy. May I jump back in our studio? You hear that? King, oh, the game not done. Right, crazy, it's later. I'm just going to peace. Yeah.
Game done, man. Can't joke, man. Link up, man.
Yeah. How are you, the king? Where are you?
When I say the song makes sense or it's a big waste of time, talk up in the comment section.